I never thought I'd be so fascinated by bats hanging upside down, but here we are. You're about to see something truly incredible. These amazing creatures have a bedtime routine that'll blow your mind. Get ready to discover why bats prefer to catch their Z's while dangling from the ceiling. Okay, so picture this. Millions of years ago, bats' ancestors were actually gliding mammals. Can you believe it? These early bat-like creatures would climb up trees and glide from branch to branch. But here's the thing, they needed a way to hang on tight when they weren't gliding. That's when they started developing those super strong claws we see in modern bats. As time went on, these gliding mammals evolved into the flying bats we know today. But they kept that amazing ability to hang upside down. It's like they never forgot where they came from. This upside-down habit became a crucial part of their survival strategy. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about how bats are basically built to be upside-down superheroes. First off, they've got these specialized muscles, tendons, and talons that work together like a well-oiled machine. When a bat grabs onto something, its talons lock into place automatically. It's so effortless they can even sleep without worrying about falling. But wait, there's more. Bats have another secret weapon, their tiny size. Being small means their hearts don't have to work as hard to pump blood to their heads when they're upside down. And get this, their skeletons are super lightweight to help them fly, which means their legs aren't strong enough to stand up for long periods. It's like nature designed them to be perfect little upside-down sleepers. Alright, here's where things get really interesting. You might be wondering, why don't bats just sleep right side up like normal animals? Well, it turns out that hanging upside down is actually a genius move when it comes to staying safe from predators. Think about it. How many animals do you know that can easily reach the ceiling of a cave? By snoozing way up high, bats are keeping themselves out of reach from ground predators like snakes. And if an owl or hawk tries to sneak up on them, they can just let go and drop into flight instantly. It's like having a built-in emergency escape plan. This upside-down strategy has been working for bats for millions of years, and it's a big reason why they've been so successful as a species. Now, you might be thinking, can't bats just take off from the ground like birds? And the answer is, kind of. Bats can actually launch themselves from the ground, but it's not their preferred method. It takes a lot more energy and effort for them to do it this way. When they're hanging upside down, all they have to do is let go and spread their wings. Gravity does most of the work for them. But here's a fun fact. Not all bats follow this upside-down rule. There's a group called disc-winged bats that live in Central and South America, and they've got a totally different approach. These little guys have suction cups on their thumbs that let them stick to leaves at all sorts of angles. How cool is that? It just goes to show that in the animal kingdom, there's always an exception to the rule. So there you have it, folks. Bats are truly incredible creatures with some amazing adaptations. From their evolutionary journey to their specialized body parts, everything about them is designed for that upside-down lifestyle. Next time you see a bat, you'll know just how special their sleeping habits really are. If you loved learning about these fascinating animals, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome animal facts and stories. Until next time, keep looking up. You never know what you might see hanging around.